Hey everybody, I know that some of you follow our vlogs very carefully, and you might wonder how we were in Columbus, Ohio, and suddenly ended up with a reset in Disputanta, Virginia, without having shown you any video of how we got there. So we were not abducted by aliens or suddenly transported over there by some kind of an enterprise device that looks like a cell phone. But we had a day of driving where I did not have the opportunity to shoot video because of storage issues on my phone. But I did take these pictures, which I put into this quick little collage for you. We had a beautiful ride from Ohio to Virginia. Got there very late, dropped off the load, couldn't find an empty, almost decided to stay at a motel, but found a Loves in Disputanta. So now let's get into the video. Good morning everybody, welcome to the joy of trucking under the full moon. Just finished our reset. Now it's time to wake up and go. 2 spots open on that side of us. 2 spots open on that side of us. Or was that 3? 3. Wow. Wow, we love this, Loves.
Yeah, we keep this in mind. It's a hideout.
Yeah. Opened in 2018. I asked last night because I thought maybe it was brand new, but it's been here 3 years.
To the end of the street, then turn left.
And now, I want to show you Kevin's new toy.
Toy? Well, that's a tool, woman.
That's a safety equipment.
Safety equipment.
Alright, we're leaving. What is the town? Dutanasta? Bye bye, Loves in Disputante in Virginia, just south of Richmond. We have a load to Tobyhanna, Pennsylvania. Again. Let's go get it.
In 3.5 miles, take the exit on the right to I-295 North Port Washington.
Tell me there's a way station. Oh, there it is there. At the top.
41.5 miles ahead, take exit 243 at the US 60 East Pocahontas Trail.
Continue on I-64.
Okay. For somebody who doesn't like to be told what to do, honey.
Look at all these women yakking at me here. Nag, nag, nag.
Do this, do that. Oh, poor Kevin.
Am I going too fast? Huh? You need to go to the bathroom again?
Busch Gardens, all brewery and truck traffic. Let's go this way. Ocean tells you sharp curve. Oh, good. I don't have to keep telling you anymore. How wonderful! Ah!
Keep right.
Nag, nag, nag.
I can finally relax while she makes the important nagging decisions. Go ahead, tell him what to do. Tell him what to do.
3.3 miles ahead, turn right on Greenbound Parkway.
Yeah, who said that? Who said that?
In 3.25 miles, arrive at 9305 Pocahontas Trail on the right.
He's waiting for us at the entrance. Entrance to the wall. this place. Williamsburg, Virginia. Ready to navigate? Oh my goodness. What's going on over here? Hey. Thanks for joining us today as we pick up our load in Williamsburg and head up to Tobyhanna. But before we get there, we run into another snafu and a lesson to be learned. So hey, if you enjoyed today's video and our tip on that loves, do give this video a thumbs up. You can put your comments and questions below and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And be sure to see us in the next video. With love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.